Looking for a natural solution to boost hair growth, reduce breakage, and get shinier, healthier hair? This aloe vera and onion oil recipe is packed with nutrients that nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair from roots all the way to the tip. Now without further ado, let's get making. So I've already gone ahead to clean my aloe vera. Then the next thing now is to dice it and get it ready for the next step. If you are one who experiences itchiness when using aloe vera, then it's probably because you're not cleaning it properly. To clean it properly, you need to soak it in water for at least 30 to 1 hour, and then you wash it, run it under a running water at least twice or 3 times until the water is clean and pure of any yellow color. Okay, so now that I'm done dicing my aloe vera, the next ingredients I'm going to be introducing is onion. All right, and just like the aloe vera, I'm also going to cut my onions in smaller pieces. This is for me to be able to blend it easily with my blender, which is the next thing I'm going to do now. So I'm going to pour both the aloe vera and the onions into my blender, and I did pour a cup of oil, half cup of oil into the blender before blending it. I forgot to capture that part. I didn't just see the clip, so I guess I didn't capture the part. Then the next thing I'm going to do after blending it is to pour it in my pan. Now I'm going to add the rest of the oil that I need. Okay, so the next oil I'm going to add is half cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is good when it comes to conditioning the hair and moisturizing the hair. So the next oil that I'm going to add now is another half cup of olive oil. Okay, if your hair is stubborn, olive oil is going to help to soften your hair and give you that shiny look that you're going for. So I'm going to add half cup, and then for my blending I did use half cup of sunflower oil. Okay, now I'm going to dice the back of my aloe vera peel that I used to moisturize my daughter's hair. So this is the back, it is clean. I'm going to dice it into this aloe vera. It is very important. So if you have back of aloe vera that you finish using, you can use the back to make your oil. Okay, you can use only the back of your aloe vera instead of wasting it. You can use it and make your oil. All right, yeah, this is a pro tip that I'm giving you now. Okay, so after dicing the back of my aloe vera, I am going to then put this on top of fire. Okay, and put it on top of heat, and I'm going to reduce the light to a low heat, and then I will start cooking. My aim is not to cook this until it is dark. My aim is to cook it until it turns brown. Okay, so every once in a while I will keep stirring it to prevent it from burning, and this is what it looks like. Just a few minutes later, I will still keep stirring and stirring until I get the consistency that I'm looking for, or until you notice that the oil has started to foam. Okay, so another pro tip is when you are doing your aloe vera oil, please don't allow it to burn. Don't allow it to burn, to like turn really dark. As it is like this, it's okay to off it and then allow it to cool. If you allow it to get really brown before offing it, before it will cool down completely, it must have turned darker. I learned from my mistake. Okay, all right, so I allowed it to cool down just for a few minutes, or until I'm able to sieve it with my hand. Then I will then pour it on. I'll then pass it through a sieve to get my pure aloe vera oil. Can you see how clean the oil is? So guys, I advise that if you want this oil to last for you a long time, then don't squeeze it. Sieve it in 2 parts. The first one, just allow the oil to drain without squeezing it. That one you can keep it, is going to last for you as long as 6 months. Then the other one that you're going to squeeze, that one you can start using it immediately, because this second one we have water particles and might not last long. This one is our pure aloe vera and onion oil. The color is looking so beautiful, and yeah, from here you can choose to add something else. You can choose to add essential oils, vitamin E, and the rest of it, but I don't have any of those things, so I'm leaving my oil like this. I made this oil a while ago. I've used it to formulate different things. So the remaining one, I felt like, okay, let me show how to make it properly. Okay, and so that is what you are going to see me doing. Now I'm going to transfer the remaining oil into an applicator bottle so that I can apply it and show you how I use it directly on my hair. Okay, all right, my beautiful people, so if you are enjoying this video so far, please would you kindly give me a thumbs up. It's going to help this video to reach a wider audience who might also find this video helpful. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so it's time for application. So what I do guys is to apply the oil on my scalp, apply it generously on my scalp, and then I'll follow up with gentle massaging. Okay, so it is important that you massage your scalp. See, anything that you're doing, if you're not massaging your scalp, then you are wrong. Okay, especially if your aim is to grow out your hair this year, anything you apply to your hair and your scalp, please make sure that you massage your scalp to work it in. For example, now when you're spraying your tea, when you're spraying your herbal tea on your hair and you spray on your scalp as well, you have to massage it in. When you're applying your oil on your hair and on your scalp, you also have to massage it in. This is important as it's going to help your scalp to absorb the nutrients and really function well. So yeah, but I also want to advise that don't just pick up your bottle of oil and start applying it directly on your hair without moisturizing your hair. Okay, oil is like a sealant, it is not a moisturizer. Now what to do before you apply your oil is to saturate your hair with the actual moisturizer, which is water, a leave-in conditioner, or in this case my herbal tea. So guys, this is the rosemary tea that I made on this channel a few days ago, and I've been getting questions, okay, what do I do? So what you do is to apply your oil to seal your rosemary water once you're done applying it to your hair. And guys, can you see how shiny your hair becomes? If you've not tried onions on your hair, you should really give onions a try. Okay, if you've not tried aloe vera on your hair, you should give aloe vera a try. These herbs are very good when it comes to retaining length, when it comes to promoting hair growth. Okay, now aloe vera contains enzymes that helps to repair the scalp and promote healthier hair growth. Aloe vera will deeply hydrate your hair, reducing dryness and brittleness. It can also help to relieve scalp irritation thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Now, do you know that aloe vera offers nourishment to the hair from the roots all the way to the tip? This is because it is rich in vitamins and minerals. It also acts as a natural conditioner, making your hair soft and more manageable. Okay, and onions enhances blood circulation and promotes shinier, healthier hair. Onion also helps to improve elasticity and prevent split ends and damages. It has antibacterial property that helps to fight dandruff and any scalp infection. Onions is also rich in sulfur. I think this is like the major benefit of onion. It is rich in sulfur, which helps to strengthen the hair follicles, reducing hair thinning and breakage. So if you've been suffering from hair thinning, you're looking for a solution, try incorporating onion on your hair. Onion will help with hair regeneration and help you to grow out stronger, healthier hair. All right, now why aloe vera on its own is conditioning, helps you manage your hair properly, helps to prevent split ends. The combination of these two miracle ingredients is going to turn your hair around for good. So for my folks who are looking for a way to grow out their hair this year 2025, then I would advise that you start incorporating these two ingredients on your hair. You can use it in a liquid form or transform it into an oil or butter. However you choose to use it, just make sure it's one of your daily routine. Okay, now guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up, all right, and share this video to your friends and your loved ones whom you know will benefit from this video. Also, if you enjoyed DIY content, please consider subscribing to this channel, and please try and turn on your bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video pops up. I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know if you'll be trying this on your hair, all right, and if you do, please kindly let us know in the comment section. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.